Don't look at me like that. You already know what it is. You know what time it is. Today, I'm actually going to be objective. Only because the ending part of this video. Again, this goes into the part where I told you in Pennsylvania, most authorities are prejudiced, and that is literally how they do their job. That was an opinion. That is something I alleged. And now, if you go check this video, okay, there's two officers that have two men posted up against it. Now, because I don't know what probable cause was in this video, I can't say whether these officers were okay for putting people against the banister with their backs turned and begin searching them. Probable cause is the key to any authority stopping or involved in anything doing legal action. If you mess up probable cause, you mess up the case. That's the end of it, and that's how the law works. So I don't know the rationality they use to get these guys turned around, but I get it. They're both checking these guys, and it seems like one guy's talking a lot, and it's the one officer on the right side. He's just talking a lot, and my thing is what he's saying, okay? Listen to the stuff he's saying. What he's saying is no different than what's in the gangster rap we listen to, what's in the music. So do you think this cop is high on power, abusing his moment to speak greasy like he's about that life? He said, we out here, we doing this. You want to know what? That's a fact. You are a mafia. You are out here. But the difference is you need others to be out here. You can't be out here alone. You can't say, I'm out here. You can never say that. You can only say we out here. You can never say I'm out here. I'm out here. Like that. That's how it goes. That's why I don't respect what anything you're saying. If anything, that makes you a coward for even using that expression like you know what it means. Because you hear it, because you heard it on the song, sounded good. You and your guy handling business, huh? Now, if it was just left at that, I would leave it there and it would be it. But that's not just it. We see there's one time he hits him twice in the face, okay? Then they both proceed to take him down. And before taking him down, I heard him call him, quote, a pussy. He called him this. Now, let's think. If you're having beef outside and you're fighting someone else, is that not lingo you use for normal civil matters that get everyone arrested? I'm not understanding. So you're telling me because you wear a badge, you can say whatever you want to me while you're arresting me, even hit me in my face while you're arresting me. But if someone else is to do that, we both got to get arrested. They're like, one person's not held responsible for the issue, everyone got to get arrested. So why is this the next thing? The only thing that would make the difference in this case and nullify anything I just spoke on is if that was truly a weapon he pulled from the guy's pocket. Everyone's like, what? You said all that, and now let me tell you why. The reason the cop would be nullified and whatever happened, if he was feeling him, he felt a weapon, okay? And he had previously asked this guy, did he have a weapon on him, okay? Do you have a weapon on you? He said no. And he called him the P word out of anger for the fact he lied about having a weapon on him. That would be situational. That would be situational, and that would be allowed. I'm speaking fully from a law standpoint. Understand me. That would be allowed because in the sense of the cop's emotion at that moment, it's pure rage because he could have been shot to death by this guy whose hands were free when the video started. See, that's why I told you it's the game of probable cause. His hands were free. He could have pulled that and shot him at any moment after he already asked him if he had a weapon. That endangered everyone's lives. Because the cops could have shot him and then shot everyone else because he lied about his gun. You see, it's all situational like that. That's why I said we need to know probable cause in this case. And we need to understand the emotional standpoint behind the officer and whether that really was some type of firearm, okay? That's the difference right there. So that's the only way, Philadelphia, officer involved, you'd get a pass in this scenario. Because if you're a gun owner and you conceal, you know to disclose to the officers that you have a weapon when they stop you or when they do anything where the weapon may be in reach of any sort. And in Pennsylvania, I'll drop a quick jewel. Hope you all know, even if you're an owner of a weapon, you ride with the handgun on the seat unloaded or somewhere not with the clip. The clip must be in your glove compartment. Just in case, if you didn't know PA state law, that's PA state law. Even if you get stopped and you have it on you a certain way, riding in the car, you're going to have a really good reason why you're riding with your thing loaded and concealed in your vehicle. That is the norm. And I'm saying that just in case they take a racist issue or a racist angle at anyone who may be in this scenario. So understand they have jurisdiction to try and bend the laws to make you into a criminal. Thank you for rocking with me. Got more coming out later, but let's see what happens with the story. That's how they rock. You know how we rock. All rights reserved.